Tsinghua is a world-leading university, and the mission of Tsinghua is to cultivate and create global professionals through the pursuit of education and research at the higher level of excellence.
Tsinghua is obviously a top-notch university. It's renowned worldwide. Tsinghua has a great reputation in terms of engineering and technology, which I'm always interested in combining with my background in finance and economics as well.
That relationship between China and Latin America is going to reach a new turning point during the next 10 years. Both sides have been strengthening their partnership in important areas such as infrastructure, green energy, digitalization, and also cultural exchange. Tsinghua allowed me to really understand how China as a whole country works, and also how Chinese companies do business in China and overseas.
Back home, there is an increasing number of Chinese companies that chose to use Southeast Asia, to grow in Southeast Asia as a pivoting point to globalize. Foreign firms are also looking to recruit from Southeast Asia to expand, especially into China and into other Asian markets. Tsinghua MBA program, which has majority of the classroom courses taught in English. We get to attend classes and listen from MIT professors and also professors from Tsinghua, together with industry leaders that are familiar with both of the business environment. And it's an immersive experience in China that is able to integrate both China and the global visions at the same time. The Global MBA program has a dedicated career coach from CDC, which is very helpful when it comes to one-on-one career development and career coaching sessions.
Also, the CDC is going to help you to get in contact with the Chinese companies you're interested into. They also regularly organize events such as job fairs, and also they organize meetings with the Chinese companies' recruiting teams,
in which they had made the connection for me to both explore the different industries, different jobs, as well as made connections with the alumni as well. She had also suggested that I should combine my academic knowledge as well as my work experience with this aspiration. Pointed this direction of IIB to me for me to really explore. I was able to connect with many alumni who have been either working in the same industry for many years or who have been exploring their own ways and making their own path. There's a lot of events that Tsinghua is hosting where we get connected with previous alums, and they're very helpful in terms of sharing their experience, and also sometimes you may even get intern opportunities or even work opportunities coming out of that.
My fair advice would be to learn Chinese. Nowadays, in order to be successful in China, you need to be in some way unique. You need to have an area expertise, you need to have a deeper understanding of things. The next advice would be that when joining a company in China, not only choose that company based on the company itself, but also based on who's going to be your manager. And the best way to understand China is face-to-face. So if you want to understand China, come to China and experience it.